The iPhone SE series is on the cusp of a transformative evolution, as the forthcoming iPhone SE 4 prepares to shatter expectations with its most substantial upgrade yet. Since the original iPhone SE's debut, this latest iteration promises to be a watershed moment, catapulting the user experience to unprecedented heights. In this in-depth exploration, we'll dissect the pivotal enhancements and innovations that will redefine the iPhone SE 4's prowess. From a revamped design to cutting-edge capabilities, every aspect of this device has been meticulously crafted to deliver a truly exceptional experience. Join us as we unravel the exciting features and upgrades that will solidify the iPhone SE 4's position as a trailblazer in the world of smartphone. New design and larger display. The iPhone SE 4 is poised to shatter conventions with a revolutionary design overhaul, boldly departing from the classic compact form factor that has been synonymous with the series. This audacious revamp will introduce a sleeker, more streamlined aesthetic, expertly crafted to house a larger, more captivating display. As a result, users will be treated to a profoundly immersive visual experience, with vibrant colors that pop, crystal clear text that's a joy to read, and an overall viewing pleasure simply unparalleled. Every aspect of the design has been meticulously refined to create a harmonious balance of form and function, ensuring that the iPhone SE 4's fresh new look is as breathtaking as it is functional. Enhanced camera capabilities. Capture life's precious moments with improved clarity and precision, thanks to the upgraded camera system. With advanced features and capabilities, the iPhone SE 4's camera will empower you to take stunning photos and videos that will leave a lasting impression. Faster processor and seamless performance. At the heart of the iPhone SE 4 lies a powerhouse of processing prowess, elevating the device's capabilities to unprecedented heights. With a significantly faster processor, this latest iteration promises to deliver breakneck speeds, effortlessly gliding through even the most demanding tasks. Multitasking becomes a seamless experience, as users can navigate between apps with lightning-quick transitions and enjoy swift launching times that leave lag in the dust. The result is a silky smooth user experience where every interaction feels intuitive and responsive. Whether you're juggling multiple tasks, streaming high-definition content, or simply navigating through menus, the iPhone SE 4's turbocharged engine ensures that performance is always top-notch, redefining the boundaries of speed and efficiency in the world of smartphone. Modernized with USB-C Port. In a forward-thinking move, the iPhone SE 4 will pioneer the adoption of a USB-C port, bid farewell to the legacy Lightning connector, and align with the cutting-edge technology trends shaping industry. This strategic update heralds a new era of connectivity, promising to significantly enhance charging speeds and usher in a more versatile and convenient user experience. With USB-C, users can expect faster data transfer rates, effortless connectivity to a broader range of devices, and the convenience of a reversible design. As the tech world continues to embrace USB-C as the new standard, the iPhone SE 4's adoption of this technology solidifies its position as a trailblazer in the smartphone market, offering users a seamless and future-proofed connectivity solution. Release date and pricing. Save the date for an early release next year, as the iPhone SE 4 is set to revolutionize the smartphone landscape with an unbeatable combination of premium features and affordability. Priced at an incredibly competitive $499, this latest iteration promises to democratize access to a high-end smartphone experience, shattering the notion that quality and affordability can't coexist. With a price tag that's significantly lower than its flagship counterparts, the iPhone SE 4 is poised to capture the attention of discerning users seeking a seamless blend of style, substance, and value. By offering top-tier features at a fraction of the cost, Apple is set to redefine the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of affordable premium smartphones, making the iPhone SE 4 an irresistible choice for those seeking a superior user experience without the hefty price tag. In conclusion, the iPhone SE 4 is poised to revolutionize the classic design, offering a perfect blend of style, substance, and affordability. Stay tuned for more updates, and get ready to experience the ultimate upgrade.